Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. In the chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastic, today we will discuss some common synthetic fibers, their characteristic properties and uses. First of all, let's start with rayon. For quite a long time, people used natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, etc. As technology developed, people began to search for new options. They wanted to overcome the limitations of natural fibers. That means they wanted improvement in the natural fibers or something which could replace the natural fibers. Mainly, their aim was to develop fibers which were cheaper than natural fibers. In the first attempts, synthetic fibers were just an attempt to improve natural fibers. First man-made fiber was rayon. So we can call that rayon is an oldest man-made fiber. It is semi-synthetic. That means it is not completely synthetic. The raw material is obtained from cellulose polymer, which is obtained from wood pulp. Because of cellulose, some of the properties of rayon are like natural fibers. It also shines like silk, so we can also call it artificial silk. People who cannot afford pure silk can use rayon because pure silk is very costly, so everybody cannot buy pure silk. Characteristics of rayon: it is soft and comfortable. It absorbs moisture, so it is suitable for hot and humid climate also. Because of cellulose, it can absorb moisture. It is lustrous, or you can call it shining. It can be dyed in different colors. Because of absorption of moisture, coloring rayon becomes very easy. And last but not the least, it is cheaper than silk. Uses of rayon: rayon is used to make embroidery threads, shirts, home furnishing like curtains, tablecloth, sofa cover, etc. It is also used to make scarves and bandages. The next is nylon. In the early 20th century, first purely synthetic fiber nylon was made. Raw material for nylon came from coal and petroleum. Children, petroleum is a mixture of petrol, diesel, kerosene, naphtha and many more chemical compounds called petrochemicals. Some of these compounds can be treated and converted into polymers. Nylon was first completely synthetic fiber made from one of such polymer. Nylon was made in the early 1930s and it was the first completely synthetic fiber. It was named after two cities, New York and London. NY from New York and LON from London. Characteristics of nylon: nylon is very light in weight. It is very strong and highly elastic. It is stretchable. A very thin nylon rope can bear heavy load. Because of the elastic nature, it does not break easily. It retains the shape after repeated use and washing. Again and again you can use it and wash it. It is long lasting, that is durable. Clothes made from nylon don't get wrinkled, so they don't need ironing. Uses of nylon: nylon is used for making socks and stockings. umbrellas and fishing nets, parachutes and nylon ropes. Because of lightweight and strength and elasticity, it is very suitable for making ropes and parachutes and fishing nets. Bristles of your toothbrush are also made from nylon. Strings of badminton and tennis rackets are also made from nylon. Here you can see bristles of the toothbrush, nylon fibers. This is nylon rope. This is a parachute, socks, umbrella. Next important synthetic fiber is polyester. The name suggests that it is made by polymerizing ester molecules. It is a class of synthetic substances, not a single substance. From some types of polyesters, fibers are made, and from some types, plastics are made. You must have heard of PET jars, PET jars, polyethylene terephthalate. These are used for making plastic jars and bottles. Polyester can be blended, that means it can be mixed with wool and cotton. Polyester fibers easily mix with wool and cotton and improve the properties. You must have heard of terrycot and terry wool. These are actually blended fabrics. In terrycot, cotton is blended with polyester. One type of polyester is terylene, and in terry wool, terylene is blended with wool. This is polyester monomer, which is repeated n times to form polyester molecule. Characteristics of polyester: it is also strong, lightweight, durable, elastic and wrinkle resistant. It retains shape after repeated use. Here you can see the uses of polyester. Polyester is used for making formal suits, shirts and shirtings and shootings for men. Bed sheets, sleeping bags, sportswear are also made from polyester. Then here you can see the plastic bottles. These are made of PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Next in the list we have acrylic. Acrylic fibers are made from acrylonitrile polymer. Some acrylic fibers are dry spun and others are wet spun. Acrylic fibers are warm fibers and they are also known as Orlon or acrylion. They are soft, warm and lighter than wool. They can be washed easily and they retain the shape. They are also moth resistant, means insects do not eat this. They can be easily dyed into different colors. They are used to make blankets, sweaters, carpets, shawl, etc. And last but not the least, we have spandex or lycra. Lycra is also known as elastane because of its exceptional elasticity. It is very elastic, stretchable. It was made in 1958 for the first time. The name spandex is an anagram to the word expands. Spandex means it expands, stretches. Characteristics are it is lightweight, elastic, strong, and it is used in making swimwear, swimming costumes, tights, sportswear, etc. So my dear students, I hope I have made myself very clear and you will find the topic easy to understand. Still, in case you have any doubt, you are always free to contact me. Thank you.